Here is a 20 feet spaced prefabricated expandable house. The total length can be 6.3 meters after expanding. The width can be 5.9 meters and 2.48 in height and 3.5 tons in total. Each 40 feet container can load to houses. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 bathroom and 1 kitchen. Selected aluminum glass windows and entrance door, with 6 thermal break aluminum glass windows. Customized external wall with required color and pattern, with soundproof ceiling and built-in wires, with insulated division walls, smooth and bright. Solid floor is made of 18 mm fireproof calcium silicate board with PVC skin. L-type kitchen table can meet the need of cooking. Dry and wet separation bathroom with waterproof UV wall. What do you think of this house? We can also customize the house layout, size and material as required. Contact Andrew for more details by email or WhatsApp below.